Nick Voegel here with Sloan Implement Company in Shelbyville. This week we're talking about the 5E 3-cylinders by John Deere. And we thought we would share a little bit about the features of these tractors. The 5E's tractors feature easy-to-use cab controls, a final Tier 4 engine that doesn't utilize DEF fluid, and an extra-large fuel tank so that you can spend all day long in this tractor. But I think the best benefits of the 5E series tractor you'll find inside. The 5E series tractors features best-in-class sales support.
The 5E series tractors feature the best-in-class parts support.
The 5E series offers best-in-class service support with a 5-year powertrain warranty.
So with all those great features, the 5E series tractor features 0% financing and low monthly payments. Stop in at Sloan Implement Company in Shelbyville and pick up your set of keys for a new John Deere 5E.